Hi folks, Chuck Franklin here. Hey, we're getting into the summer travel season, assuming we're all able to travel. And if you've got any thoughts on going to Canada because of the better weather compared to our summers, be aware that if you have a DUI charge pending or a DUI conviction, you will not be able to enter the country. Whether that's flying in, whether that's driving in, you'll be held at the point of entry. So if you fly in and you go through their equivalent to customs and immigration, you will be held there and you'll have to stay at the airport, spend the night, and get on the next flight back that you possibly can. Staying in the airport just sucks anyhow, but spending the night in a situation like that would be terrible. If you've got any other pending felony matters and you got permission from the court here to travel out of county or out of state, or both, or out of the country, same thing's going to happen. You have anything pending felony-wise as well, you're going to be turned away. But the DUI convictions is really nothing new, and obviously the felony convictions would not be, but I've represented a lot of people in the airline industry, flight attendants, even pilots, but pilots usually get their tickets yanked or suspended for a period of time if they have a DUI. But going to a flight attendant, you'll fly in there, you'll end up having to stay in the same room that everybody else that's got something pending, and you'll get shipped back. And then if it comes down to it, you're going to have to choose different routes or whatever, however you schedule your time with the airline that do not include going to Canada. So I've had flight attendants that in the past have gotten DUI convictions, and then they were denied to actually fly into Canada as a flight attendant and lay over, whether it be in Toronto, Montreal, or what have you. And they've had to spend the night at the airport and then hop on the next flight back. So you don't want to go down that road. That would be awful. Just a tip for y'all. Stay safe. Bye-bye.
This posted video is in no way specific legal advice on any subject. It is intended to provide general information for the public. If you need specific legal advice, call Chuck at 480-545-0700